Respected sir and madam, and my dear friends, a present good morning to one and all. Myself K. Sharantesh Roy. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshit tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I want to say complete seminar regarding structure of atom. Before starting seminar, I want to share some important few lines in my today's seminar. Imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark questions. These questions may be asking in coming examinations. So my humble advice is, please watch my seminar video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start seminar. Yes. Do you know what is light? Light is nothing but it is a electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave means the wave in which the electric field is perpendicular to magnetic field and it is perpendicular to right angle is known as electromagnetic wave. The characteristics of electromagnetic wave. There are three types of characteristics. One is wavelength, another one is frequency, another one is speed. These are the three characteristics of electromagnetic wave. I will show the picture of electromagnetic wave once again. This is the picture of electromagnetic wave. The upper part is known as electric field and lower part is known as magnetic field. The rays and wave which passes from upper part, their electric charge will be there, and below the magnetic charge will be there. This was because of magnetic field which was presented on the below and electric field which was presented on the above. And the first characteristic of the wavelength is wavelength. Wavelength is nothing but the distance between one peak to another peak is known as wavelength. The units of the wavelength are meter, centimeter, nanometers. These are the units of wavelength. The second characteristic of wavelength, electromagnetic wave, is frequency. Frequency is nothing but the number of waves occur in 1 second is known as frequency. The units of frequency is 1 by second is the units of frequency. The third electromagnetic wave characteristic is speed. Speed. The speed of one unit of wave is known as 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is the value of 1 second wave will occur in a 1 second. 3 into 10 power 8. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is spectrum. Spectrum is nothing but the number of wavelengths and number of frequencies is known as spectrum. There are 4 types of spectrums. One is absorption spectrum, another one is line spectrum, another one is emission spectrum, another one is continuous spectrum. These are 4 spectrums. Absorption spectrum. The absorption spectrum will occur by the absorbing of energy. And emission spectrum. Emission spectrum is nothing but the spectrum which will act by the emitting of energy is known as emission spectrum. Continuous spectrum is nothing but it is a Max-Planck theory. Max-Planck theory means it is a continuous spectrum and it was packed in a small packs. This is a Max Planck theory. The value of Max Planck theory in joules are 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joules in joules, and in charges 6.626 into 10 power minus 27 in charges. These are the values in joules and charges. These are all introduced by Max Planck. He is a scientist. Next, Bohr atomic model. Bohr atomic model was introduced by Bohr. In Bohr atomic model, he tells about the size and shape of the orbital, and he explained about KLMN shells. When the energy was emitted by outermost shell, on the time the electrons which are there in the atom will move away from the atom and shells is known as Bohr's atomic model. I will show the picture of a atom in a shells. Once again. This is the picture, and the middle of the atom nucleus is there, and the first shell is known as K shell, and second shell is known as L shell, third shell is known as M shell, and fourth shell is known as N shell. When the energy was emitted from the outermost shell, on the time the molecule which is there in K shell, automatically it jumps from another one shell to another shell with the radiant energy. It is known as the jumping of molecules from one shell to another shell without any delay. In this way, the Bohr atomic model tells. And drawbacks of the Bohr atomic model. He does not explain the hydrogen spectrum. And next, Sommerfeld, Bohr and Sommerfeld atomic model. Sommerfeld explained the elliptical orbits. Elliptical orbits is nothing but the orbits which are formed by KLMN shells. Here this is nothing but SPDF orbitals. These are the SPDL orbitals. Orbit is nothing but where the electrons will move one area or one path is known as orbit. And orbital, in the orbit the electrons will move. That part is known as orbital. In this way, the electron will travel in the orbital. The difference between orbital and orbit is very important. This question may be asking in coming examinations for 8 marks or 4 marks, and this question was previously repeated for 4 times. The differences are orbit the orbits are KLMN and orbitals are SPDF. And orbit was introduced by Bohr, and orbitals was introduced by Sommerfeld. And it in orbit the values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and in the values of orbitals are n-1 is the value of orbitals. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is quantum numbers. The quantum numbers is introduced by Schrödinger. Schrödinger is a scientist. There are 4 types of quantum numbers. One is principal quantum number. Second one is angular momentum quantum number. Third one is spin quantum number. Fourth one is angular momentum quantum number. These are 4 quantum numbers. The first quantum number is a principal quantum number. It was denoted by n letter, and it was proposed by Bohr. The values of n are 1, 2, 3 and so on. And it tells the principal quantum numbers tells about size and energy of the main subshell. These are the first principal quantum number. The second quantum number is angular momentum quantum number. Angular momentum quantum number was denoted by L. The values of L is equal to n minus 1. If we do n minus 1, we will get L values. It was introduced by Sommerfeld, and it tells about energy or size of the shell. Let us enter into another principal quantum number. The another quantum number is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number was introduced by Lambda. It was denoted by ML. The values of ML is 0 to n minus 1 is the value of ML, and these angular magnetic quantum number will help to form some shapes of the orbitals. The shapes of the orbitals. The shape of the s orbital is spherical in shape, and their one orientation will occur. And the shape of the p orbital is dumbbell, and the shape of the d orbital is double dumbbell, and the shape of the f orbital is a complex in shape. I will show the pictures of how many orientations will occur in SPDF orbitals. Once again, I will show the pictures. And in S orbital like this, spherical in shape, one orientation will occur. The L value is 0 and ML value is also 0. And in P orbital, L is equal to 1. First px dumbbell in shape, it is looks like dumbbell in shape. And in py it is also dumbbell in shape. In all the molecules which are presented in orbital P, they are in dumbbell in shape. The three orientations will occur in P orbital. And next coming topic is D orbital. In D orbital, the 5 orientations will occur. The value of L is equal to 2 and the value of ML is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. In first double dumbbell, it is double dumbbell in shape. dxy is equal to double dumbbell, dyz is equal to double dumbbell, dzx is equal to double dumbbell, and dx square minus y square is equal to double dumbbell. And in last and final, dz square, in the only that dumbbell shape will occur, and one was spherical orientation, two spherical orientations will occur and a middle of the origin. In this way, the orientations will occur in the SPDF orbitals. In F orbitals, the mixture of SPD orbital orientations is known as F orbital orientations. Is nothing but F orientation. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the process of distributing electrons from orbital and subshells and shells is known as electronic configuration. The another define of electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons in the orbitals, shells and subshells is known as electronic configuration. This question may be asking in coming examinations for 2 marks, and this question was previously repeated for 4 times. The next, let us enter into another topic. The another topic is NLX method. NLX method is nothing but it is a short form of electronic configuration. In NLX method, N tells about principal quantum number. L tells about angular momentum quantum number. X tells about number of electrons in the orbital, orbit or orbital. The these are the where the electrons will be located and situated in the NLX method. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle will say that no two electrons will have the more than four quantum numbers in the without filling a one orbit or another orbital is known as Pauli's exclusion principle. One orbital is equal to two electrons. This is the Pauli's exclusion principle. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is Harbor principle. Harbor principle. Harbor principle is nothing but without filling first one orbital, the molecules will enter into another orbital. Is known as Harbor principle. Let us enter into the another topic. The another topic is very important topic. I will ask one question. Write about Euler's chart. This question may be asking for 8 marks or 4 marks in coming examinations. And this question was repeated for 5 times in previous examinations. The Euler's chart. I will show the chart, Euler's chart. Once again. This is Euler's chart. From 1s2 the molecules enter into 2s. 2s2 the molecules will enter into 2p. 2p to 3s. 3s to 3p. 3p to 4s. 4s to 3d. 3d to 4p. 4p to 5s. 5s to 4d. 4d to 5p. 5p to 6s. 6s to 4f. 4f to 5d. 5d to 6p. 6p to 7s. 7s to 5f. 5f to 6d. 6d to 7p. 7p to 8s. In this way, less than every molecules which are there in the Euler's chart will enter, all are arranged in a less than manner. 1s less than 1s less than 2s, 2s less than 2p, 2p less than 3s, 3s less than 3p, 3p less than 4s, 4s less than 3d, 3d less than 4p, 4p less than 5s, 5s less than 4d, 4d less than 5p and 5p less than 6s, 6s less than and 4f, 4f less than 5d, 5d less than 6p, 6p less than 7s, 7s less than 5f, 5f less than 6d and 6d less than 7p and 7p less than 8s. In this manner, the Euler's chart is finished. Let us enter into the picture of a spectrum. I will show the picture of a spectrum. In the electromagnetic spectrum, the cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays have more wavelength and less frequency, and IR rays, micro rays, radio rays and broadcast rays have the high wavelength and less frequency. These all are the cosmic rays are these all rays are not visible, and these rays also not visible. Only visible rays have colors. These visible rays is nothing but the colors of WebGR. WebGR is nothing but V means violet, B means blue, G means green, I means indigo, O means orange, Y means yellow, R means red. The every color have their own characteristics. To do one activity, to know the characteristics of the element or the metal, the materials required: cupric acid, titanium, and one HCl solution. Take one beaker and pour cupric acid in it and add HCl in it, and take the another beaker and pour titanium acid and add some HCl in it. Observe by keeping in one flame. we will observe that the green flame in cupric acid and red color flame in cerium, red color flame in strontium fluid or acid. In this way, we will observe the flame. Based on, we will conclude that every color have their own characteristic. I will repeat the which are important questions are there in this chapter. Write about electromagnetic wave. After this, write about four spectrums. Write the differences between orbit and orbital. And write about quantum numbers. Write about Bohr atomic model. The another one is write about Bohr Sommerfeld atomic model and write about NLX method. These are very important questions are there in this chapter. Thanking you for spending your valuable time for listening my seminar video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.